What's up, guys? Long time no see. Today we're going to do a pork loin roast in the oven. I was actually going to spit roast it, but I bought one and it's faulty. So this is what it is. It's 1.9 kilos, about 2 kilos. You got a bit of nice skin on the top, a lot of meat down the bottom, very lean cut of pork, a lot of protein. You need some spices, salt, garlic, but we'll get into all that. Let's do it. We took the pork loin out of the plastic wrapping, drained it of any excess blood, gave it a little bit of a wash, patted it down with the paper towels. Bob's your uncle. Chuck it on your board. Slice these off. So, just penetrating this skin. It's pretty thick, so you can go pretty deep. There we go. In all these crevices, we'll be filling salt in, which will be pulling out the moisture and allowing for a crispy skin. First thing we want to do on this, spray a little bit of oil, help from sticking. Go on, skin side down first. We want to get a bit of seasoning onto our meat. Start with some salt, some all-purpose seasoning, which has paprika, a bit of everything. If you're not in Australia, then I can't help you. Just get some of that on. You can actually do whatever you want on this meat. You could do it Chinese style with Chinese 5-spice, paprika. You know, it's not a specific recipe or anything. I'm just chucking spices on, if you get me. It's like a freestyle of spices, you know. It's just off the top. Whatever spices I feel like is going on. Onion powder and garlic powder work well with everything. Some black pepper. I'm going to slather it with a little bit of olive oil to give it a bit of moisture, and then just rub those spices in to the corners of the meat. Try to avoid the skin. If any spices touch the skin when you're trying to get pork crackling, you are going to burn your skin. So just keep it on the meat part only. Give it a good rub. Split the pork, skin side up. We're going to remove any of that seasoning that may have gone onto the skin, because on the skin all you want is salt, and a lot of it. So see these crevices? Get a lot of salt and just, you know, really fill them up. Salt is very important to get a crispy, crackling skin. So we're gonna start low, and then we'll do the crackling at the end. So straight into your oven, 200 degrees Celsius. It's about 400 Fahrenheit. I don't know, I'm not Google. Chuck it in and it'll convert it for you. Alright, here we go, guys. It's done its hour and a half in the oven. Remove it from the tray. Beautiful crispy skin. That's what you want. Crispy skin, guys. When you look in here, very juicy, moist. Here we are, perfectly cooked inside. Slice some of that. Bang. Alright, we're going to just taste it. First, a bit of skin. Definitely passes the crunch test. A little bit of fat. This meat is very lean, so it's good protein. Nice to have with some gravy, which I've got made over there. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.